Okay, so when this screen is loaded, you'll be able to see a big image of the Melody Maker on the left hand side, and on the right hand side of the screen you'll be able to see three options: load level, new level, and how to show. Now, before I mention these three options, I'm going to talk a bit about file structure when creating a level, and the files that Ongaku creates when you create a level. When you create a level and saved it, the game saves out two different types of files to your chosen location. The two files that it saves are called a .def file and a .stm file. Now, basically the .def file stands for a definition file. It defines the properties of whatever content you've got within your level, so what audio track you're using and the location of where it is on your PC. The same goes with the background images and the video. It says what file path they are to where they're located on your computer. It also has the score properties of the game in there as well. And the STM file is an abbreviation for a stream file. This file basically holds all the information about where you put the paint bubbles, the Ongaku bubbles, and so on. Now, although you can open these files once they've been created, you can use the Notepad or another text editor to open them. There normally isn't much need to open them, and I'd suggest that you don't. You can end up deleting something or changing something with them if you open them, and that would obviously break the level and you wouldn't be able to open it. It can be frustrating if you do that and you don't really know why. So normally a good rule of thumb is to just leave them well alone. You don't need to open them. No doubt some of you will, but just a nice friendly warning. Don't open them. You won't break anything. One thing I will mention is that these two files always have to be in the same place on your PC. Whether this is on your desktop or in a specific folder, just make sure they're always in the same location. It's actually a good idea to create a folder already set up before you start thinking about creating your level, just so you have a folder where you can keep all your stuff for that level. It's basic file management, but some people sometimes get stuck on the simplest of things, so just a quick heads up. Anyway, back to the matter at hand. So I'm going to talk a bit about the load level function that we have here. So basically what this does is lets you import other custom levels that people have already created. You can download them from your friends, you can download them from the SmashMouth Games forum if you wish. So this is a place to load them up. Okay, so I'm going to click in here and we'll just have a quick look inside. Now what's going to happen is the game will minimize and you'll be brought up with a Windows pop-up box. Now the way we're capturing this video, it doesn't show the game minimize and it won't show my desktop, but trust me, the game will minimize and you will see the pop-up box. So if you want to, if you were sent a level and you click on it, you will be asked to open it. It'll be the .def file that you'll see. So if you click on open, that should bring you back into the game to this menu, and you can have either start game straight away, or you can actually go into the Melody Maker and start editing that level if you so wish. So what we'll do is we'll click on edit level and the game will start, or the Melody Maker will open. Now you'll get this message up. Basically the game's loaded the level and it can't find the images or the audio. Now if you've downloaded the level from your friend but they've not sent you these images or the audio track, the game won't know where they are and it will bring you this error message up. Now if you it's basically a simple task of reassigning the location for where these are. I will note that you have to have the images or the audio track. Obviously file sharing is bad, it is illegal, so I can't condone you sharing music with your friends, but whatever. So if you want to click on each of these options, the game will minimize again and it will bring the pop-up box back and you will be able to find throughout your hard drive. You just be able to click on the location of where they are, and you should be able to find them. I can just quickly search through mine and find them. Okay, so there's one, and I've just imported it back, and you'll see that that changes. It's got the black body of the image in, and I'll click on the other one again, and again do the same thing. Click on the image from your hard drive, and it'll bring you back into game and show you this, and then click on audio to find the audio file, and click on that, and it will assign you to your level, and you are ready to go. So yeah, don't panic about that. That's asking, it's making sure. Okay, so that's pretty much how you load levels into the Melody Maker. So if I click File and Quit, and that will take me back to the main menu, and we can talk about the other options within the Melody Maker.